the thing about this is it's solid stainless steel. Now, as a mechanical engineer who knows stainless steels and metals, it even sounds weird to engineers who aren't in this industry if I say I'm making a pan from one solid monobloc of stainless steel. They say, but it won't conduct the heat, it'll be terrible. How are you going to get the heat in there? And I say, but there's lots of different types of stainless steel. This is nickel-free stainless steel. So it's a type of ferritic stainless steel. It's nickel-free, so it's magnetic, not magnetized. It's not dunk, it doesn't stick to things. But it's magnetic, and that means it's induction compatible. Mm-hmm. But because it's got no nickel leaches out into the food. And we're not biochemists, so we don't talk too much about the risks, but people can Google it for themselves. We just prefer to avoid nickel, like we avoid synthetic coatings. Then the other thing is it's such a powerful conductor, it's twice as conductive as regular austenitic, the nickel-based stainless steel that everything else is made out of. Mm-hmm. It's twice as conductive, and it's 3 millimeters thick in the base, and that's why chefs get the shock when they put it on the heat. And oh my God, things start to boil, things start to cook a lot faster than they realize.
Yeah, well, you're not going through multi-layers, so everything that Mark said, it just heats up faster, and that's the key thing. So you need lower heat to get the same result using these pans. And whether I'm cooking at home or I'm cooking professionally, the amount of energy I'm using to get something done matters. So if I'm doing it at home, I don't want the gas bill. So I can lower temp, I can cook things actually a little bit quicker with the pan, and that's on gas. Or when I'm doing it professionally, and whether we're in my kitchen here at the school, or we're going out and doing demos, or we're doing field work, I love using these pans. It's cutting my time down. It's actually cutting my production time down because of the conductivity and that heat transfer. And that's one of the things that make this just a pleasure to use.